Hello, I'm Link. Today, let's talk about the difference between the melamine pad and scrubbing pad. The washing machine is generally equipped with scouring pad. The scrub pads come in black, red, white and other colors. In terms of hardness, the black pad is the hardest and coarsest. Then the red pad, then the white pad. The most commonly used product is the white pad, and cleaning requires adding detergent. Increase the cleaning effort on the floor. However, after prolonged use, most flooring will exhibit some issues. For example, the brick surface will gradually turn black. Scrub pads are essentially made of coarse fibers, which are relatively thick and sharp. Prolonged cleaning and wear will gradually damage the glaze surface. Dirt or stains will gradually penetrate into the glaze over time. The brick surface will turn black and cannot be cleaned. Another situation is that PVC, VCT, or water flow layers, floor coatings, may leave some scratches after using scrub pads. It means that due to the rotation of the machine, some residual marks are left behind. In some areas where standards are high, there is a demand for new materials. There are better cleaning capabilities that reduce wear and tear on brick surfaces, water flow layers, and other material floors. Melamine pad is an upgrade to scrub pad. The upper cleaning layer is the magic sponge that some people often buy, which has very good cleaning power. And this product only needs to add water, no detergent. It is very environmentally friendly. First, this product has very strong cleaning power. Second, the material will not cause damage to the brick surface. Because the Mohs hardness value of melamine sponge is only 4, the Mohs hardness value of ceramic tile glaze is typically between 6 to 7. Therefore, this material is very unlikely to produce scratches or wear on the brick surface. Friendly to glazed surfaces, floor coatings, water flow layers, or other materials. It cleans without wearing down the floor surface. Of course, melamine pads cannot completely replace traditional scrub pads either. Because the cost of using melamine pad is relatively high, it wears out more easily. Therefore, the melamine pad is an upgraded product for the traditional scrub pad. It is also a supporting product. Most of the daily cleaning uses scrub pads as daily cleaning care. When the ground is dirty, use a melamine pad once a week 10 days to solve the stubborn dirt, or the dirt that scrub pad can't solve. Of course, there are some special occasions, such as a dust-free workshop. Self-leveling flooring includes garages, workshop floors, and special requirement floors like those found in hospitals. Using melamine pads for cleaning is a bit more costly, but the results are indeed good. That's it for today.